Custom number format in Excel consists of 4 segments or slots separated by semicolons respectively for positives, negatives, zeros, and text values, where a maximum of 2 logical tests or conditions can be applied. Let's say we want to apply green text color for numbers equal to or above 80, blue for numbers between 70 and 80, and red for the rest of them. Then select the numbers, go to Custom Number Format, clear the general format, and enter the conditions within square brackets. Maintain the order of the conditions based on their priority. You can replace the hash symbol with specific texts, symbols, or emojis within double quotes if required.